There's like small, medium, and large.
That's what she said.
I'm taking it very seriously, okay? I'm gonna look good. Save my legs because my winter coat was growing.
Love to paint my dogs.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog we are getting ready for a Sydney trip, and it is a girls trip and I'm so excited. We are going to Sydney, Australia, and I am over the bloody moon. We are leaving tomorrow. We're leaving at 6:45 in the morning, so bloody early, but we have an event later that night, which is why we're getting up so early and heading in so early, because we do not want to risk missing it, so we have to allow enough time. We've got so much planned for our Sydney trip and we're so excited. This is the first time all three of us are going traveling together, so I'm over the moon, but we have a lot to get ready before we actually go. So I've literally just jumped out of the shower, had an everything shower, shaved my legs because my winter coat was growing and we had to shave it off. Today we have to go to shops, grab a few things. We have to tan later tonight. I'm not tanning now because I really like to sort of I'm either going to sleep in my tan or I'm going to tan late at night so I can really chill out, because I find if I tan during the day I get weird sweat marks here and it ruins a tan every time. So I'm going to try doing it later on and see if that's better. I am so stressed on what to wear. That is my main problem, because the weather, it could be like nice or it could be cold, because it's saying it's around 18 degrees and for where we are that is pretty good, but for Sydney I don't know, because we come from a very, very cold place, so 18 is normally all right, but I don't know if it's gonna be like that in Sydney, so I don't really know what to wear, what to pack. I really wanted to take a small carry-on suitcase, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because I just don't know what to wear, and I feel like the safest bet is literally to take a bigger suitcase. My big suitcase is a pain in the butt and it literally does not wheel. It's too big for no reason, so I do not want to take that. So my mom's letting me borrow hers, so I reckon I'll take hers so then I don't have to stress as much on what I'm gonna wear. Honestly, what you're wearing should not be as stressful as it is right now. Like, come on, it's just an outfit, call it a day, boom. But I'm taking it very seriously, okay? I want to look good. We're going to be there for about 3 days, so literally we do not need much, but we have a big event that we're going to, which is the whole reason we're going to Sydney, and that is why this trip is needs to be a bit more planned and not as stressed, and needs to have a couple outfit options because of that. If you watch the vlogs you'll see more on it. Oh my god, my hair. The bag is not packed one bit, which is quite stressful, but we'll get there. I was really hoping the tan worked, because I've had plenty of times where the tan does not work properly. Either it doesn't like stick to my legs, or it grabs on really weird, or it makes my armpits look really bad, so I don't really know what to do, but we're just gonna attempt to get that done. It is currently Saturday the 7th of June. I just can't wait for my bag to be packed and actually getting on the plane, because I feel like that is when the stress is sort of gonna go, because the planning bit is what I'm finding stressful at the moment. Everything's pretty planned, we've got an itinerary, we've got an idea of what we're doing, when we're doing it, so that's not the stress. It's literally just packing my bloody bag. Why is packing a bag so bloody stressful? But I've got options, so yeah, let's come on a hectic day of trying to pack my bag ready for Sydney. Let's go guys, please, if you have any tips, help me out because I'm really struggling.
Let's do a quick haul of what I got from the shops before we head home. So I ended up going into Kmart. I went to the dollar store, as you guys saw, but they didn't have anything that I needed. It was quite limited, so I went to Kmart instead, and the dollar store was also really expensive, so I went to Kmart and I picked up some jewels. They're like little love heart gems that I'm gonna put in my hair. Look how cute they are. There's like small, medium, and large.
That's what she said.
And then behind them they're like little flower ones, so I thought that'd be really like 90s and super cute, so they go on my hair. I also got Mentos for the plane, because you can never go wrong with Mentos. They're so good for when you're like taking off and landing, because it helps with the pressure in your ears. And then the lucky last item, these are little Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats. They were 2 for $4, so I was like, you know what, this is gonna be like my little sweet treat on the plane. I haven't had a Kit Kat in so long, so I'm so excited for those. But yeah, let's head home and start packing, because that is what's stressing me out, is that I have literally not packed my bag one bit. I've got like some items in there that I know I'm gonna take, but I just need to do a lot more of that. I would love to paint my dogs because they're gonna be exposed. I need them to look a little prettier. I also need to charge all of my like electronics and all that kind of stuff. Let's go.
Don't mind if the wardrobe's open, just ignore that, and if you see any mess, ignore that, you didn't see it. But this is what I'm thinking for one of the outfits, for like a nice dinner outfit, because we're planning on going out to dinner. So we've got this cute little black bodysuit with it, which is low back, which is really nice, and got like a nice V cut as well, which we love. A leather jacket, which is gonna keep us warm because it is winter in Australia. These nice black jeans with cool pockets and a little random strap, and then wearing these heels. My sister says she doesn't like them, but I think they look cute, so we're gonna wear them with it. So yeah, that is that. And then I've just got random jewelry on, but I'll probably change the jewelry, and I've got sunnies on. So that is nice dinner outfit, which I think will look super cute. Okay guys, this is the next outfit. I've got this cute little skirt on. It's got a little slit and this cute little top that I can pair it with this jumper if it gets cold. Hopefully it's gonna be warm though. But I'm so stressed on the weather that I don't know what to pack or what to wear. It's really stressed me out because I don't know the weather, and that's what's concerning me. But we'll get there. And then pairing it with these shoes because these are comfy and they look cute with them. So that is a second outfit planned. But I'm now going to plan an outfit that's going to suit my denim skirt because my family keeps saying it's going to be warm up there. So let's start planning some warm outfits as well. This is the next outfit option. This is like if it's a warm day. My family keeps telling me to stop stressing and it is going to be warm, but I feel like it's not and I hate the cold. So if it is warm, this is what I'll be wearing. I'm envisioning this possibly for Manly if it is warm because I don't envision us really walking too much at Manly. We'll sort of just be chilling out at the beach, going to try some food places, all that kind of stuff. And I'm wearing these shoes, so that'd be perfect because like these are comfy to wear, but also I don't want to be walking a whole like Bondi to Coogee walk. Like that's not ideal in these shoes. So in Manly, I feel like this would be cute. It's giving summer, it's giving cute. It has the back out. Okay, this is the next outfit. This is meant to be a beach cover up and I could wear it as a beach cover up, but I don't reckon I will. But I was thinking this could be a really cute dress to wear like going out to dinner. It's like super tight, super fitted, and the wrists like flare out and then it's like backless, and I feel like this could be dressed up and look so cute. This is the last outfit. This is another warm outfit. I hope it's not too bright. I hope you can actually see me, it's not too bright. But this is the last outfit. I've got this cute little like white top on that's like red. Like, can you see that? It's got like a little pattern on it. Super cute, and it's got this little gold flower there, which is super cute. And it's of course backless, which we love. We love a backless moment. With my denim skirt again, I feel like this would be a cute summer outfit. And I'm thinking maybe Bondi if it's not too cold. We have now planned all of our outfits. We're just literally gonna pack it up and push it in our bag. I don't mind my outfit, but I've packed all of my clothes into compression packing cubes. So now we're gonna pop them into the suitcase. This is like all of my clothes. This is undies, bathers, socks and bras, and then this is my actual bowl outfit. If you want to see that, you're gonna have to wait, guys. It's so cool. So we're gonna chuck everything into the big suitcase. It's not gonna fit in the small one, so we're gonna take my mum's big one. This is the progress we've done so far. This is the packing cube. We've got all of our shoes here, which seems like a lot. We've then also got my Dock and Bay towel. We've got all of that side still free. I need to organize this out because I need to take all this stuff and put it in there. At the moment, it's all a lot of random stuff in there that I need to actually organize into bags. I also need to pack toiletries and my makeup bag. So let's quickly do that. I have just tanned. I look interesting. I've got my tanning PJs on and they're short and I am freezing. It is so cold tonight, so I'm not enjoying it. I'm gonna at least look like a tan goddess. I hope my armpits turn out alright because they always turn out really weird. My legs have turned out really weird. So hopefully after I rinse it off it's gonna look fine. But we're gonna let it sit for a couple hours. I'm gonna go have some dinner. This is the state we're at the moment. It is 6:30. Half of my bag is all packed. This is all empty, which is great. She is full to the brim. We've got little hair ties, we've got hair accessories, jewelry, all the stuff at the bowl, a speaker, towels, all that kind of stuff is in here. So I'm gonna zip it up, seal it. I'm not planning on doing much shopping, but just in case. I've got also a power board there with a straightener. Then this is my carry-on bag. I think it's weighing 3 kilos at the moment. But I do have the water in there, so that's probably weighing it down the most, but it's so empty. I've just got to pack my electronics in the morning, but we are almost all ready to go to Sydney. Also, don't mind the state of me. My hair's in a messy bun. I'm currently cooking in my tan, as you can see. I can't believe it's almost here, guys. It was stressful getting to this point. I just need to figure out what I'm wearing tomorrow to the airport, and then we're gonna probably rinse off a tan really soon and head to bed because we're gonna be up bright and early because we have to be at the airport at 5 o'clock, I reckon. I cannot wait for Sydney though tomorrow. There's so many cool places and I've been planning this for so long, so yeah, I'm so excited.